Namaste and greetings to all of you. I am Ila
I'm Sanatan.
and we are here today to take you on a journey of yoga which leads to calmness of mind, stability of emotions which are always on a roller coaster ride and in conflict with our wisdom, and a healthy physical body with a proper flow of prana. So come, enjoy this journey with us. And this is a beautiful me time, a time to go inwards and enjoy the peace at all levels. We will begin the session with small silence followed by chanting of Om and invoking the prayer. When we chant Om, we will first inhale and while exhaling, we will chant Om sound. Now, when we chant Om, we don't end it very abruptly. We just sublimate it so that it merges into silence. Only then the vibrations are generated beautifully. So, we will start with small silence. Please close your eyes gently. Wear a beautiful smile on your face and concentrate on yourself. Just yourself. Forget about the environment outside you. Feel your physical body from head to toe. And bring your concentration at the tip of your nose. Feel your breath. अपनी सांस पर ध्यान दें and concentrate on every breath that goes in and comes out. हर सांस जो अंदर जा रही है और बाहर आ रही है उस पे अपना ध्यान केंद्रित करें. Be conscious of your breathing. Now deeply inhale and chant one Om. So inhale deeply and chant along with us. Breathe in again. सांस अंदर लीजिए फिर से. Vibrations को महसूस करिए. Feel the vibrations of Om chanting. Breathe in again. Open your eyes. Now we will do our prayers, invocation prayers, Shanti mantra. This mantra has been taken from Kathopanishad. It's an invocation prayer of Kathopanishad, and we start our session with this prayer because in this prayer both the teacher and taught are seeking blessings from the highest Guru or God to make our knowledge that we are learning fruitful and enlightening. So please join your hands in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes and repeat after me. So Sanatan sir, मैं प्रेयर बोलूँगी, आप रिपीट करेंगे और हमारे सारे ऑडियंस हमारे संग रिपीट करेंगे. ओम सहना भवतु.
ओम सहना भवतु.
सहनौ भुनक्तु.
सहनौ भुनक्तु.
सह वीर्यं
सह वीर्यं
करवावहै.
करवावहै.
तेजस्विना
तेजस्विना
वधीतमस्तु.
वधितमस्तु.
मा
मा
विद्विषावहै.
विद्विषावहै.
ओम शांति शांति शांति.
ओम शांति शांति शांतिः.
हरि ओम.
हरिः ओम.
अपने पाम्स को आपस में रगड़िए और उनको आँखों पर रखिए. This is called palming. It helps you to relax your eyes. Bring your hands down gently. Now we shall start with our exercises. So Sanatan sir, हम कैसे शुरुआत कर रहे हैं?
Let us start with Sukshma Vyayam.
सूक्ष्म व्यायाम. Okay. So what is सूक्ष्म व्यायाम?
Sukshma Vyayam is a subtle exercise which helps to stimulate our different joints from toes to head.
Okay. So Sukshma Vyayam, basically when we do yoga, we start with Sukshma Vyayam beforehand because it acts as a preliminary exercise to release the stiffness of our muscles and loosen our joints because body becomes very stiff overnight when we sleep. So before we begin the session, we will do certain exercises of the joints. So we together are going to do it. Those of you who cannot stand and do, you can do while sitting, and others can do while standing, or even if you want, you can do it in the sitting position. So we shall start with our Sukshma Vyayam step by step from head to toes to release the stiffness from the body and get the body more flexible for the practice of asanas and other things. So are we ready, Sanatan sir?
Yes.
Yes. So please come to standing position. We shall start with neck. So you can keep either your hands on your waist or you can keep it beside you as you wish. There is no hard and fast rule. तो हम शुरुआत करेंगे गलों की एक्सरसाइज से. हर एक्सरसाइज हम 10 काउंट्स के लिए करेंगे स्टेप वाइज. शुरू करें सनातन
Yes.
सर? आप काउंटिंग देंगे?
Start.
ठीक है. तो हम नेक अप एंड डाउन से शुरू करते हैं. तो नेक की स्टिफनेस खत्म करने के लिए रेडी. स्टार्ट.
Breathe in, bend back.
ब्रीद आउट.
Breathe out, bend forward. Do slowly, without jerk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, neck bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, rotation. Start from right to left with normal breathing. Rotate slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now reverse. Rotate from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Release your hands and relax your neck muscles. Feel the
शरीर को
changes.
एकदम ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. अब इसके बाद after this we are going to do shoulder exercise where we will just move our shoulders up and down to loosen the shoulder joints. So all you have to do is keep your hands straight. Now as you breathe in, you put your shoulders up. As you breathe out, put them down. So we'll do it 10 times. Another
Yeah,
side? Okay, ready, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now the next shoulder exercise. So this will help to loosen shoulders. You can move sideways and
Yes.
do so. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. Okay. Now after shoulders, we come to our elbow joint. So we will loosen our elbows. Okay. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Keep your palms
5,
open as you throw your
6,
hands down. And make a
7,
fist when you go up.
8, 9, 10.
Hands down. Relax. Just keep relaxed. No tensions. If you do yoga with tension, it has no use. So just relax yourself. Okay. Next, after this, we have wrist.
Yeah.
So we will do wrist exercise. So you have to make a fist. So put your thumb inside. Close the fingers. It's like this. Muthi banani. Okay? And in front. So first we will move up and down.
Yes.
5 to 10 times. Right? Start. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. After this, we will rotate our wrist joints clockwise and anti-clockwise. Mind you, when you rotate your wrist, the elbow should not move because we are not doing elbow exercise. We are doing only wrist. So hands will remain still, elbows will remain tight, and then we rotate our wrist. It's very good for your joints, especially people who have a lot of arthritis problems and gout. It's very good for them. So shall we start? So put your hands straight, elbows tight. Mind you, the hands should not move, it's only the wrist. Okay, start. 1, clockwise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. What generally the mistakes people do, Sanatan sir, they do
Speedily.
like this.
Yeah.
So it's not like this. This has to be tight and we do the joint. So now we move to fingers. So same way we do with our fingers to loosen our fingers. One very good exercise, easy exercise is loosening of fingers like this. So we can do this 10 times and then we do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now bring your hands in front of you like we did in this, and what we are going to do is we will move our palms down with fingers together and then move our palms up. Okay, again the elbow has to be tight. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Very good. Just put your legs apart and relax for some time. Loosen up and keep a beautiful smile shining on your lips. Breathe in and out deeply. Now we come to the lower part. So we will
rotation.
hip rotation, waist exercise, because yoga usually uses more of spine rather than limbs, so our spine needs to loosen up, and one of the best exercise is to do waist rotation like milk churning that we do. So it's like waist rotation. So you can keep your legs a bit apart, maybe just a foot. Put your hands here, clockwise 10 times and anti-clockwise 10 times. Remember not to move your whole body, it's only the lower portion below the waist that is going to move. Shall we start?
Yes.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Reverse.
Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you, thank you. Now, what do we go for?
Knee joints.
Knee joints. So next comes our knees. So it's a very easy exercise. So all you have to do is hold your knees, bend a bit, hold your knees and do up and down with knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Knee joints are very important. The whole weight of body it takes. So you have to keep on loosening your knees. There are many knee exercises which we will keep on teaching you in coming sessions. Now,
Ankle joints.
ankle joints.
So even those who cannot do standing posture, they can do sitting. And those who can do standing posture, they can take support and raise the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very nice.
Now rotation of the ankle joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now our total body is relaxed and stimulated. Now we can go for breathing practices.
Okay. Do you think our audience needs some relaxation, or shall we go for breathing exercise?
We can go for breathing practices
Okay.
because that itself a relaxation.
Okay. Now, friends, breathing is the main part of yoga. The only difference between yoga and all other exercises is the awareness of breath. And it is breath that holds you through the life. So, we are going to practice some breathing exercises so that our lungs are beautifully oxygenated. Especially in corona times, we need more of breathing exercises. So, we will have breathing, and we will teach you a very simple breathing exercises with the movement. Now, why movement? Because each movement will correspond to each breath, so that you know that this is the inhalation which has to be so much long, and that is the exhalation which is equally relaxing. So every movement corresponds to one breath, either inhalation or exhalation, systematically. And in this process, you oxygenate your entire body, every cell receives the oxygen. So today we are going to teach you hands in and out exercise of breathing, and those who want to do it sitting position, you can do it sitting position. Those who want to do in standing position, you have to do in standing position. It's very, very simple, and we will recommend you to close your eyes so that your awareness is on your breath. अपनी सांसें बंद रखें, जिससे सारा जो ध्यान है वो आपके श्वसन पर केंद्रित रहे. आंखें खोलने से हमारा माइंड डाइवर्ट हो जाता है. ये हमारा मी टाइम है, तो हम जितना इनवर्ट फील करेंगे उतना हमारा शांति और कामनेस ऑफ माइंड होगा. तो सनातन सर, हम शुरू करें?
Yes.
तो इसके लिए हमें दोनों हाथों को आगे करना है और नमस्कार मुद्रा बनानी है. अब ये एक्सरसाइज हम बहुत धीरे धीरे करेंगे, हमें हाइपर नहीं होना है, हमें बहुत स्लोली करना है. तो जैसे ही हम हाथ खोलेंगे, हम इनहेल करते हैं, गहरा सांस भरेंगे, तो आपकी सांस इतनी गहरी हो गई. सोचिए, इतना बड़ा सांस आप ले रहे हो. एक्सेल, you exhale longer. Inhale deeply, slowly, no jerks, keep a smile on your face. Exhale, bring your hands back together. Don't do it very fast, have a control. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. सारा ध्यान श्वसन पर, all concentration on your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly bring your hands together down. Close your eyes, relax your body. You can put your hands behind if you want to. Just relax and continue to feel your breathing. We shall chant one Omkar chanting again. Breathe in deeply. अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं सनातन जी?
Now we'll go for Tiryak Tadasana.
ताड़ासन और तिर्यक ताड़ासन.
Tiryak Tadasana.
Tiryak ताड़ासन. What does Tiryak mean? Tiryak, sideways.
To bend sideways.
So, okay. So how do we do it, Sanatan ji?
We need to keep our legs apart for
Okay.
better balance.
Okay.
Then we'll interlock our fingers. Then stretch our hands above your head and make sure your elbows are straight. Now,
Okay. It's like this. I'll show you in sitting position.
yeah. And while bending, you breathe out, and while coming center, breathe in.
ओके, तो
Always-
मुड़ इस तरफ जाते समय ब्रीथ आउट करना है और वापस आते समय ब्रीथ इन करना है.
Right.
ओके.
And make sure don't bend forward. You are not bending forward. Always bend sideways.
एक बार दिखाएंगे.
Just have a look. Breathe out.
देखिए ये परफेक्ट साइडवेज है, हमारी बॉडी एकदम साइडवेज मूव कर रही है, उसको आगे बेंड नहीं होना है.
Breathe in.
वेरी गुड. ब्रीद आउट.
Breathe out.
और गलत जनरली हम कैसे करते हैं, एक बार अगर आप दिखा देंगे तो लोग मिस्टेक नहीं
Generally,
करेंगे.
people they do like this. They bend elbow or they bend forward.
Yes, these are the mistakes that you should not be doing. So we will do it. It's not necessary that you bend a lot. It's just that even a little bending will help your spine to get flexible. So we can do this. So we have to keep our legs at least 2 to 3 feet apart, right?
Yes. 2 feet.
2 से 3 फीट अलग और हाथ इंटरलॉक्ड. ओके. हाथ ऊपर.
Start from right side.
Start from right side. Okay, fine. So bending start. Exhale करते समय हमें एक तरफ बेंड करना है और इनहेल करते समय हमें सेंटर में आना है. Start.
1, 2, 3,
Exhale. इनहेल करते समय दूसरी साइड. 4 exhale. Inhale.
5,
Exhale.
6,
Exhale. Inhale.
7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Relax in Shitala Tadasana. Separate your legs and keep your eyes closed. Just watch your breath. Feel the changes in your both sides of the body. Now we can move for some asanas.
You want to do asanas today? Okay. So I think we will do something very basic. Let's teach them Vajrasana.
Right.
Okay. So we will do Vajrasana today as an introduction, and it is one of the most important asanas in yoga because it relates to our digestive system. जो हमारी वज्र नाड़ी जो एंकल से होके पेट में जाती है उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाती है. और ये आसनों की कैटेगरी में द ओनली कैटेगरी ऑफ आसन which you can do immediately after having your meals as it aids digestion. So we are going to show you Vajra Asana today. Those of you who are not able to do, you can put pillow under your ankles and do it. So here the position is keeping your legs together, sitting in this position, keeping your hands beside your buttocks, fingers facing forward. This is also known as Dand Asana. So this is the starting position for any sitting postures, asanas that we do. So we will do Vajrasana count wise. Just observe how it is done. So in count number 1, we will take one leg, fold one leg under our buttock. So folding the right leg under right buttock, left leg under the left buttock, and sit on your heels. Put your palms on your knees. Keep your back straight. See that you do not sit on your toes. Can you show the back side? See the position of the ankles, of the heels. This is the way you have to sit. Generally the mistake is people sit on their toes like this. This is a wrong position because then it doesn't become Vajrasana. The Vajra Nadi is on the ankle joint. In fact, it is so easy that you can, even while reading your newspaper or maybe watching TV or doing any work in sitting position, you can just sit in this and it's a very relaxing asana. When whole day you are very tired, if you sit in Vajrasana, all your tiredness is over. It is that simple. So this is Vajrasana. You can do it from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Absolutely no problem. So that's called Vajra Asana. So
From here, you can go for Sasankasana.
I think today the time is over. So We will continue our asanas for the next day. From Vajrasana, we can go to many asanas. So today we shall end our session again with a small silence, chanting and prayers. Just relax yourself. Close your eyes. Continue to have awareness on your breath. We will chant Om again 3 times. Breathe in deeply. Breathe in again. Breathe in again. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Ending prayers. Shanti Path. Om Asato Ma Satgamaya
Om Asato Ma Satgamaya
Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya
Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya
Mrityorma Amritangamaya
Nityorma Amritangamaya
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Let's do palming. Rub your palms together, make a cup and put it on your eyes. Thank you friends for today's session. Have a great day ahead and keep smiling and shining. Thank you so much, Sanatan sir.